This is a video on how to get set up on the final project. And so I'm going to have you go to a browser. I'm using Chrome. Type in https semicolon or colon dash dash then view.csbsju.edu. And this page should come up. So Mac users in particular need the https. And once you get here, you're going to click here. By the way, this is a video. If you make a mistake or something isn't working, please pause and rewind as much as you need to. This is stuff we went over in class, so they didn't have the benefit of videos to pause and review and go backwards, but you do. So you're going to log in with just your regular username. So that's my email address without the @CSBSJU. And that's just your regular password, the one you use for email and everything else. You log in and you see this. So you're going to select Windows Academic and just double click on that. What we're doing as this comes up, click OK. Within this browser on your computer, I'm going to grant full screen. It's logging into a computer that's on campus. This allows you access to the software that we're going to be using in class. So there's just some setup that you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do, click on Start. Again, if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause. It's still getting ready, so it's not responding to me yet. There we go. I can click Start. I can use my mouse, I suppose. I'll get situated so I can use my mouse more easily. You're going to go up here to Anaconda. So go over here, click on Anaconda, and go down here to Jupyter Notebook. Click on that, and a browser is going to open up. So first a window pops up, that's good. A browser is going to open up, it's Edge, unfortunately. So we'll just wait for it to come up. It'll come up soon, I promise. There we go. I'm going to not sync, it's up to you though. So here's what we're going to do. Just move that out of my way. Let's for now go click on OneDrive, CSBSJU, and let's go to Documents. In fact, Documents. There we go. So now we're going to open a new tab. You have to do this new tab within the tab that you're already in. So it's a tab within a tab. If you open up a new tab on your computer, it's not going to work. So it has to be right next to where it says OneDrive, the Jupyter Notebook, and we're going to go to csbsju.instructure.com. This is Canvas. That's the URL. If you're getting error messages, go back and look at the video and pause on the URL. What we're doing is we're about to download some stuff. So I'm going to the Canvas page, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and go up to Truth and QR information. We're going to download 5 things, starting at 124. So I'm just going to open a new tab, click Download. And it downloaded. I'm going to go over here to Wave 1 Cookbook, open new code, click Download. Now Wave 4 Codebook, open new tab, click Download. Not sure if I clicked or not, so I downloaded it again. All right, they're downloaded, so I can close them. These two, click Open New Tab. We're just going to download them. Do not open these. Right, it's going to crash the browser, so do not do that. Do not open them. And same thing with Wave 4. All right, we can just click Download once it's ready for me. There, and now it's downloaded. So I have 5 things. I've got the IPython right there. Wave 1 Codebook, Wave 4 IV Codebook, an extra one, so we'll just trash that. And Wave 1 and Wave 4 data. That's what we need. So the next step is go down here to this folder. Click it. We're going to slide it over to the left. And I'm going to click on File, Open New Window. So now I have 2 of them open. On this one on the right, I'm going to go to OneDrive and go to Documents. There. On this one on the left, I'm going to go to Downloads. And here I can see the 5 things I just downloaded. I'm just going to one by one or all at once, just take them and drag them over. And you can see now in documents, I have the 5 things added. Now, what we're going to do is if we come over here now, we can see that I have, let's just go back and go to documents, because I think you can see everything that we have there so far. I've got more stuff, right? I've got the fall 2023, got the code book, et cetera, et cetera. It says an hour ago because I already put it there an hour ago. So click on Add Health Codebook 1 and Add Book Code Health Codebook 4. Your homework is just look through this. Try to figure out 2 things that you're interested in. I picked math grade and religion. Our goal is we're going to do some research to figure out if there's an association between your 2 things. In my case, is there an association between religion and math grade? So you might want to figure out if there's a relationship between your ideal romantic relationship and let's pick something over here, and the military. So you have to be a little more specific than that. So I'm going to go to military. I'm going to spell it right, though. So I'm just going to look through the military section. Military. Have you ever been in the military? Was your military outside the U.S. or both? Are you currently serving in the military? How about this? Let's look at, like, are you currently serving in the military? We want to figure out if there's an association between that and how about ideal romantic relationship? And just see, is there an association between are you currently serving in the military and, I don't know, I'm just scrolling down stuff. And I want to get a new question here. This is all just kind of sub questions. The goal is just find something you're interested in. And how much would you like to have a romantic relationship in the next year? So maybe I want to pick again, and I want to figure out, is there an association between how much you want to have a romantic relationship in the next year and are you currently serving in the military? Your goal then for Wednesday is come up with a code like H4MI3 and H11D6 or H1ID6. That is your homework. Come up with 2 codes like that you're interested in. Again, what I did in my study is actually, I want to figure out if there's a relationship between religion, was your present religion, and your math grade. Keep hitting something that makes it mess up. Right, so so for what I'm doing is H1ED12 and H4RE1. All you need to do for next time is what I actually did and what you'd be seeing in class is H4RE1 and H1ED12. You do not need to have one in each of these 2 code books, one in each of these files. You can pick 2 within this one or 2 within that one. The main goal is just find 2 things that you're interested in, and you want to figure out if there's an association between them. An association between math and religion might mean that some religions might do better in math than others. That is kind of what I'm thinking. Or maybe some grades lead to people having different levels of religiosity. So that is it. You missed class, so please do this before class. Thank you.